25 English phrases na may Tagalog translation. You've lost so much weight. You've lost so much weight. Ang laki ng ipinayat mo. Are you a foodie? Are you a foodie? Mahilig ka ba sa pagkain? I sleep in on Sundays. I sleep in on Sundays. Tanghali na akong gumigising kapag linggo. Quit putting me on. Quit putting me on. Huwag mo nga akong pinaglololoko. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Ako nang bahala. I know you're a fussy eater. I know you're a fussy eater. Alam kong maselan ka sa pagkain. It's written all over your face. It's written all over your face. Kitang-kita nga sa mukha mo. I'm a bundle of nerves. I'm a bundle of nerves. Kabadong-kabado ako. I'm not picky. I'm not picky. Hindi ako mapili. It doesn't hurt to ask. It doesn't hurt to ask. Hindi naman masamang magtanong. She's so stuck up. She's so stuck up. Napakasuplada niya. I feel a bit under the weather today. I feel a bit under the weather today. Medyo masama ang pakiramdam ko ngayon. I won't give up without a fight. I won't give up without a fight. Hindi ako basta-basta susuko. I've known Louie for a long time. I've known Louie for a long time. Matagal ko nang kakilala si Louie. What perfume are you wearing? What perfume are you wearing? Anong pabango mo? I'm on it. I'm on it. Ginagawa ko na ngayon. How have you been? How have you been? Kumusta ka na? I've been getting by. I've been getting by. Eto, nakakaraos naman. You've put on so much weight. You've put on so much weight. Ang laki ng itinaba mo. I didn't recognize you. I didn't recognize you. Hindi kita nakilala. It's your call. It's your call. Ikaw ang bahala. I have something to ask you. I have something to ask you. May itatanong ako sa'yo. We're just about to leave. We're just about to leave. Paalis pa lang kami. I'm beat. I'm beat. Pagod na pagod ako. Button up your shirt. Button up your shirt. Ibutones mo yung damit mo. Tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Sabihin mo sa akin ang totoo. I hope I don't run into him. I hope I don't run into him. Sana hindi ko siya makasalubong. Are you at home? Are you at home? Nasa bahay ka ba? We're not friends. We're not friends. Hindi kami magkaibigan. We are just acquainted with each other. We are just acquainted with each other. Magkakilala lang kami. I need your help. I need your help. Kailangan ko ang tulong mo. I'll call back later. I'll call back later. Tatawag ako uli mamaya. Call me at work. Call me at work. Tawagan mo ako sa trabaho. Nice place you have here. Nice place you have here. Ang ganda naman ng bahay mo. Stay out of this. Stay out of this. Huwag kang makialam dito.